back, everyone. Today we're making Kung Pao Chicken. Take us 15 to 20 minutes. We'll toss it in the wok, then we'll do a load test at the end, and we'll see how it goes. And if you haven't subscribed or liked, please do so. If not, no big deal. Now let's get started.
Dice 1 white onion, 1 inch slices. Dice red bell pepper, 1 inch cubes. Smash 3 pieces of garlic, then dice them. Smash 2 tablespoons of ginger. Dice 2 green onions to circles. 3 chicken breasts, 1 inch cubes. We're going to place this in a bowl and marinate. 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Mix and let it rest. After this, we're going to put it in a hot pan, medium-high heat, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Cook this for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Once this is done, we're going to take it off the pan and we're going to make the sauce for the Kung Pao chicken. 2 tablespoons of potato starch. 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix thoroughly. Toast almonds or cashews, or you can toast the peanuts. Once this is toasted, take it off. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then you're going to add the ginger and the garlic. Cook this for 10 seconds. Then you're going to add the red peppers. Cook this for another 10 seconds until once, it's golden brown. You can smell that garlic. Then you're going to add the veggies. Stir this for about a minute. You don't want it too soft, you still want it crunchy. After this, we're going to add the chicken. That crispy chicken looks amazing. Stir this for about 10 seconds, and then you're going to add that Kung Pao sauce, the nuts, and last, we're going to add the green onions. Stir this for about a minute, and that's about it. Delicious. That was easy, right? Just hanging out on the beach, having a cold beer. And let's try out this Kung Pao chicken. You see that? Looks pretty good. Let's do the test. Just make sure you don't eat one of these red peppers. That's a little spicy. Have a good night, everyone. Have a beer, relax, get some sleep, get some memes, and I'll see all you guys later. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. Hit that like button and subscribe.